wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best Class 3 trailer hitches. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you can't find a suitable custom towing option for your full-size pickup, check out the Curt Manufacturing 13902, which accommodates many Ford, GM, and Dodge trucks. It can handle everything from utility trailers to large campers with ease. It comes with an open back receiver for easy cleaning and hangs down around 5 inches. However, it only fits a few Ram models. At number 9, attaching the draw-tite Max Frame 75579 to your Chrysler Town & Country or Dodge Grand Caravan involves a simple bolt-on process using the minivan's existing hardware. You'll be headed to your next outdoor adventure in no time, able to haul up to 4,000 pounds. This one's compatible with stow-and-go seating and fits perfectly under the bumper, but the paint quality is not the greatest. Coming in at number 8 on our list. When you're entrusting the Reese towpower 51156 to pull your precious valuables, you'll have peace of mind knowing this model has been through stress testing and can withstand some road abuse. Before buying this selection, note its gross weight capacity is on the low end though. It's designed for the Honda Odyssey and comes with a durable 3-step coating. However, there have been problems with bolt holes lining up. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Class 3 trailer hitches, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Reese towpower 37042 Multi-Fit is a universal selection that fits plenty of trucks, SUVs and minivans. But be aware that this versatility often comes with substantial assembly effort. It's strong enough to pull up to 5,000 pounds, so you can take a lot with you. This is a heavy-duty choice that's considerably inexpensive, but it may require some drilling. Moving up our list to number 6, you'll appreciate the security afforded by the Tyger Auto TG-HC3TO168 with its handy hitch pin lock and extra support plates on the bar. During setup, know that the holes might not match up with the car's frame, so you may need to perform some modifications. It's designed for the Toyota Highlander with a tough matte black surface. However, the directions are rather sparse. Halfway up our list at number 5. Made in the USA by an industry leader, the Curt Manufacturing 13068 is welded with precision and comes in vehicle-specific models for easy installation with no need to drill holes. It features a round tube frame and is backed by a lifetime warranty. It includes a high-gloss protective finish and all the mounting hardware, but note that its gross weight limit is only 3,500 pounds. At number 4, the Reese towpower 51074 won't break the bank of those seeking an option compatible with select models of the Chevy Colorado. You'll have peace of mind knowing it passes an advanced fatigue test that simulates 100,000 miles of real-world road surfaces. This one's American engineered with well-made fasteners. It also fits GMC Canyon trucks. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. When you hit the road in your Toyota Sienna for frequent hunting or camping trips, the Curt Manufacturing 13105 won't disappoint, as it attaches easily to ball mounts, bike racks, or weight distribution hitches. Its sleek round tube body hugs your minivan snugly. It comes with accurate and detailed instructions and offers a simple assembly. It provides an adequate 9-inch clearance. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Class 3 trailer hitches, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the draw-tite Max Frame 76031 fits nicely into the existing threaded holes of your Nissan Pathfinder with just 6 bolts, so you'll be on your way in a jiffy. Its black powder coat finish helps keep it sleek and attractive for many years. This one's unobtrusive once installed and includes a sturdy 2-inch receiver opening. It meets SAE J684 standards. And coming in at number 1 on our list, if you're in the market for a lightweight choice, the Curt Manufacturing 13591 will not disappoint, since it clocks in at just 13 pounds. It's created for select General Motors minivans and SUVs, and at-home installation can be easy if you're mechanically inclined. It's reasonably priced and barely visible once attached. It includes a helpful step-by-step manual. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Class 3 trailer hitches, or simply click beneath this video.